NIO has become the center of the spotlight once again. This time it is due to the NIO Power solution it has released. This new system is set to create a huge ripple in the EV world as an extensive range of options is made available to replenish the battery of NIO vehicles. NIO used to rely solely on battery swapping for this purpose, but that has changed now, as NIO plans to give its customers the option to swap or charge the batteries. These cars will be made available in more regions of the world as well. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. We aim to bring you the latest vehicle news. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments and/or use the timestamps in the description. NIO has introduced several power solutions. These include getting your car charged at a station, battery swapping, charging at home, and even getting a remote charger wherever you are. NIO Power is an extensive network based on internet and cloud facilities. It will be available at all times, at all places. All of these services are very impressive, but all of them are already present in the market, except for one. NIO has introduced a service where you can get a van with a battery power bank and get your vehicle charged wherever you are. We're going to discuss all these in today's video. NIO Power Home. This is the home charging solution offered by NIO. It further has two options as well in the form of 7 kW Power Home 2.0 and 20 kW Power Home Plus. These provide a seamless charging experience which just involves plugging the car in. The port cover of the cars opens up themselves when the handle is brought near the car. In case the power is lost to the charger, there is an emergency stop option available. The power then resumes once the power is enabled. All of this can be controlled remotely using the NIO Power application. Real-time checking of charging status can also be done. Upgrades for the system are done continuously via the FOTA upgrades. It brings in an ever-evolving experience. In case the power voltage fluctuates, the system automatically matches the current and voltage delivered to the car. Security of the system from unauthorized users can also be done by setting up authorized users. However, multiple people inside one home can make use of the Power Home sharing to make charging accessible for everyone. This system is available for all new ES6, ES8, and E6 models. It can charge 100 kWh batteries from 20% to 90% in just a matter of 10 hours. On the other hand, charging of a 70 kWh battery is done in 7 hours. These figures are actually quite impressive. 7 kW Power Home 2.0. It is the most compact option out of the two. Installation of this is given free when you buy your first NIO vehicle. It can be installed either in wall mounting and floor standing orientations. The simple yet elegant two-piece design helps the users avoid tangling of cables when the system is used. In terms of dimensions, it's 218 mm wide, 345 mm in height, and 153 mm in depth. The design provides a very flexible yet functional solution for car charging. 20 kW Power Home Plus. This setup charges 3 times faster than the 7 kW system. It comes with an IP65 enclosure that is way above the industry standard of IP54. This makes it highly resistant to rain, sand, and even dust. The sound of this system is just 50 decibels when charging. It makes it a very convenient process to fast charge your NIO EV at home. The noise when compared to the power output and charging capacities is much lower than expected. When it comes to charging, the 20 kW setup charges NIO car batteries 3 times faster than the 7 kW setup. It can charge a 100 kWh battery in just 3.5 hours, while it can charge a 70 kWh battery in a matter of 2.5 hours. Power Swap. NIO has a tried and trusted network of over 200 battery swapping stations. It can deliver a car with a fully replenished battery in just under 3 minutes. This is even faster than refueling a combustion engine-powered vehicle's gas tank. There are more than 1,200 patented technologies that make this enormous feat possible. NIO has come up with a way to elongate the life and performance of both the battery and the vehicle. The battery and electric systems are checked automatically to mitigate any problems forming. Self-checks are also done by the car, and then the car is permitted to get the automatic battery swap. NIO Power Charge. This is the public charging system utilized by NIO. These extremely slim DC chargers can charge cars from 20% to 80% in just a matter of 30 minutes. Charging capacity stands up to 120 kilowatts and 250 amperes. It provides a very reliable, speedy, smart, and reliable way to charge both NIO and other electric vehicles. NIO does not make its charging stations exclusive to NIO vehicles, but also allows other vehicles to utilize the service. These have both plug-and-charge and scan-and-charge options while having a very efficient payment process. Power Mobile. NIO is onto something very great with its Power Mobile option. In case you have run out of range at an awkward place or don't want to go to the charging station, you can just tap on the NIO Power app and a vehicle will arrive to charge up your car. The vehicle will be equipped with a portable power solution pretty similar to a power bank. This will charge your car very conveniently at any place. NIO claims that this will be able to give the car a range of almost 60 miles or 100 kilometers within 10 minutes of charging. This can be a very much needed thing at certain problematic times. We can all assume someone running out of charge at a very inconvenient place. It is a much better way than to hustle your car to the nearest charging station or having to do something even more difficult. Valet Power Charging. NIO has also come up with a solution for those who are unwilling to get their vehicles charged themselves. Now, this does not mean charging your car at home. The 24/7 on-call valet charging service allows you to get a valet at your doorstep to get your car charged. The car will be charged using the battery swap technique or by plug-in charging. This will be determined via the cloud. The decision will be based on the time needed to replenish the battery of the car. NIO will choose the option that will deliver a charged vehicle to the user in the shortest time possible. Value to owners. NIO is trying to provide a tremendous amount of benefits to owners who opt for the lifetime free battery swap option and out-of-town power services. It will give the users the satisfaction of always having their vehicles charged no matter when and where they are. Lifetime free out-of-town power services will be provided to them. They will be able to avail this service up to 12 times a year. This changes to 6 times per month for users that have been originally owning NIO vehicles. The worry-free power plan by NIO promised an unmatched user experience for the customers. Free power service is being given to the customers up to 15 times a month. This will one-click for power door-to-door valet charging services. The power quota will be up to 1,000 kilowatt-hours per month. Apart from making cars desirable, NIO is aiming at making the whole ownership experience unmatched. Charging of the battery is a very important aspect when it comes to owning cars. NIO has come up with some very innovative and revolutionary ways to do this. Getting the battery of your car swapped within 3 minutes was a thing of the past for NIO. Now, it has introduced much more. You can plug in and charge your car from the comfort of your home. A valet can be called by just one tap to come and take your car for refueling. You can also get a remote power bank to come and replenish the battery of your car. All these user-friendly options will give NIO an edge as compared to all its other competitors. Will NIO be able to live up to all the hype? Will all these services be as desirable as they seem now, later in the future? Or will NIO have just wasted a huge amount of resources in getting all this started? We will do our best to keep you updated. All you need to do is subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching and stay safe.